This is is the mouth sound. We make it by closing our mouth and making a noise. Sounds like we're going to eat something very yummy. Can stretch into other sounds, like this.
Ma, ma, me.
Likes to go into words like melon, milk, and mice. And the mice think the melon looks yummy, so they are saying, favorite letter is letter M. Loves to go into letter M. Letter M is quite a big letter. Maybe likes it so much because there is space for the mice to hide. Or maybe it's just because there is more room for milk and melon.